Find 54% of 789.56. We need the part of 789.56. 54% is the percent. 789.56 is the whole. The question mark is the part we are finding. The whole bar is 100%, or 789.56. The green bar grows to 54%. So the green part is the answer we need. Percent means out of 100. 54 divided by 100 is 0.54. Of means multiply. Multiply 54 by 789.56. 42, 636.24 divided by 100 is 426.3624. So 54% of 789.56 is 426.3624.